External Affairs Minister S.J. Shankar and Union Secretary General's Special Envoy Julie Bishop held talks in New Delhi yesterday focusing on the fast unfolding situation in Myanmar. Bishop is currently on a visit to India. According to International Labour Organization (ILO), India's social security coverage has doubled from 24.4% in 2021 to 48.8% in 2024. The National Commission for Minorities (NCM) organized a national conference in New Delhi on Tuesday focusing on education, inclusion and the empowerment of minority communities in India. Medium-term and long-term government deposit (MLTGD) components of Gold Monetization Scheme (GMS) will be discontinued from today. In the AFC Asian Cup 2027 qualifiers final round, India were held goalless by Bangladesh in the opening Group C match at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong last night.